friends, it's Lis Ann from the Shelbyville-Bedford County Public Library. Each Friday I am providing you with some fun facts about space, but be sure to stay until the end of each video for a special trivia question. If you know the answer, head over to the library for a prize. Last week's trivia question was, which planet is the brightest? The correct answer is Venus. Venus is often referred to as the morning or evening star because it's the second brightest object in the sky after the sun. It also rotates in the opposite direction to the other planets, and if you observe closely enough, you'll find it goes through phases just like the Earth's moon. This week for summer reading, we traveled 33.9 million miles to Mars. We learned about the difference in weight and mass on other worlds, the jobs and responsibilities people hold on space missions, and how coding comes into play when communicating with rovers. So, why Mars? Why do we even spend billions of dollars on space exploration? The simple answer is human curiosity, but it goes so much deeper than that. Do you use a cell phone? Ever use it to check the weather, get directions via GPS, or simply make a phone call? You can thank space exploration for that. Have you ever flown on a plane, had surgery, used LEDs, or watched TV? Even the technology used on a fireman's uniform to resist scorching flames is a result of space research. Mars is our neighbor, and the friendliest one we have. Even though it's smaller than Earth, it acts a lot like us. The length of a day on Mars is just over 24 hours, which is the length of one day on Earth. Even though we may think of Mars as red and windy and maybe a little boring sometimes, it actually has seasons like we experience right here. And the reason Mars is red is because the soil contains iron oxide, which is just small particles of what we know as rust. If we were to travel to Mars right now with the technology we already know, it would take us 7 to 9 months to get there. But we have to time it perfectly. Mars orbits around the sun a little slower than the Earth, so the two meet up roughly every 2 years. That means time spent on Mars plus traveling would result in a mission that would last approximately 3 years. In the meantime, we've sent rovers or robots to help prepare us for missions to Mars. Do you know how long it takes to get a message to Mars and back? Not 2 years, not 1 month, not even 1 hour. It only takes about 30 minutes to send and receive messages with Mars. Pretty impressive if you ask me. I remember when it took that long just to connect to dial-up internet. That's all I have for you today. Here's your weekly trivia question. Earth is located in what galaxy? Extra points if you can tell me what kind of galaxy it is. Head over to the library with the answer for a prize, and don't forget to tune in next week.